Buckle up, because DJI is about to drop something tiny but mighty. The DJI Osmo Nano officially launches on September 23, 2025 at 8 a.m. EDT. And the hype is real. Sure, it was supposed to arrive on September 15th. Oh no, a short delay. But honestly, the buzz hasn't slowed down one bit. DJI has been teasing us with the slogan, "Own the moment," and this little powerhouse looks ready to deliver exactly that. Weighing in at just 58 grams, lighter than most smartphones, the Osmo Nano is basically a pocket-sized POV revolution. Its magnetic mount system means no more bulky clips. You can snap it onto your clothes, helmets, or even your bike and just roll. The design screams freedom, simplicity, and creativity on the go. Now, let's talk specs, because wow, they don't disappoint. We're looking at DCI 4K at 60 frames per second, UHD 4K at 120 frames per second, and even buttery smooth 1080p slow motion at 240 frames per second. Pair that with DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization and horizon lock, and you've got footage so smooth it'll feel like movie magic. And don't worry about power. The Nano runs for up to 2.5 hours, charges 80% in just 20 minutes via USB-C, and gives you 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes built-in storage with microSD expansion. Insta360 better watch out, because DJI's ecosystem synergy might just make the Nano the new king of ultralight cameras. It was leaked by none other than major retailer Adorama. And guess what? We caught it before it disappeared. The listing popped up, screenshots were taken, some subscribers even tried to pre-order, but oh no, the page crashed, and within minutes, poof, it was gone. That's when you know things are heating up. This baby is launch ready. The listings showed us everything we needed to get hyped. The DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo, 64 gigabytes, at $399.99. Hell yes, free shipping included. Or if you're going bigger, the 128 gigabyte version is $429.99. And wait, there's even a new accessory, the bidirectional magnetic ball head assembly, for just $34.99. Perfect for those creative setups. The only tease? Images coming soon placeholders. Ugh, come on DJI, we're dying here. This little beast is an ultralight POV camera, rocking image stabilization, fully plugged into the DJI ecosystem, and it even works with DJI wireless mics without extra receivers. Recording, tracking, adventures, you name it. September 2025 is the moment. Even a YouTuber, while pre-recording a short this morning, assumed launch day had arrived. But wait, it didn't stop there. DJI slipped again, accidentally leaking a second picture of the Osmo Nano online. Now everyone's buzzing. Is this the big drop, or just more chaos? Jasper himself questioned whether today's the real launch, while Igor Bogdanov teased on X, hinting, "There are many interesting things to see at sports events." One thing's for sure, the hype around the Osmo Nano is exploding. Now let's talk price. The Nano will start at €369 for the 64 gigabyte version and $399 for the 128 gigabyte version. Conveniently, these match the pricing of the Insta360 GO 3S, putting DJI in direct competition with its biggest rival in the wearable camera game. And yes, leaked listings have already shown up on multiple web shops, so this one's practically confirmed. After the beloved but short-lived DJI Action 2 was discontinued, everyone wondered what would come next. Well, here it is. Even though the DJI logo was carefully hidden in the leaked images, anyone familiar with DJI's design language spotted it instantly. The Osmo Nano is real and it's coming soon. So, what makes this little beast so special? Let's dive in. At the heart of the Osmo Nano is a magnetic main camera module. And this isn't your standard clip-and-go magnet. We're talking magnetic surfaces on almost every side with the ability to switch magnetic polarity. That means filmmakers can mount it in ways we've never seen before, on metal surfaces, accessories, or even using DJI's brand new wearable lanyard system. Flexibility is the name of the game here. The Nano also comes with built-in memory options of 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes, an OLED HD touchscreen for direct control and remote shooting, and lightning fast charging that powers the main camera up to 80% in just 20 minutes. Add in an SD card slot for expandable storage, and it's clear DJI wants this to be a creator's dream tool.
DJI fans, buckle up, because Igor Bogdanov just dropped a bombshell. A leaked photo of what's being called the DJI Pocket 4 prototype has surfaced, and it's already sparking huge excitement. While details are still scarce, one thing's for sure. DJI is once again pushing the limits of portable filmmaking. The first prototype we saw teased the Pocket 4 branding, but left the actual camera module hidden. Now, the latest leak flips the script. This time the branding is gone, but the camera setup is crystal clear. And wow, does it look different! The design shows two distinct camera modules, and their asymmetry tells us something big. On the left, there's a noticeably smaller module, possibly an auxiliary sensor. Think of how DJI's drones use multiple cameras for advanced features. On the right, a larger module likely serves as the main powerhouse lens. This isn't a stereo pair, it's a main plus auxiliary combo, a smart move that could unlock depth-enabled features, advanced tracking, or even next-level cinematic tricks. What's even more impressive? The housing looks slimmer and more compact than the Pocket 3, yet the prototype seems fully functional. No wires, no exposed parts, just a sleek, ready-to-roll design. Early analysis hints that the smaller module may be a depth sensor, working alongside the main camera to deliver intelligent focusing and enhanced 3D awareness. If that's true, the Pocket 4 could bring AI-driven creativity and sharper video performance while keeping the high standard of the Pocket 3's 1-inch sensor. DJI surprises aren't done yet. This is only the beginning. Even more intriguing? Rumors suggest DJI might soon increase its ownership of Hasselblad to 75%. If true, we could see deeper integration across DJI's product line, from drones to handheld cameras. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just another upgrade. It could mark a whole new chapter in portable filmmaking. If early leaks are to be believed, the Pocket 4 won't just be a minor refresh. Instead, it could deliver meaningful changes across design, performance, image quality, and usability. Here's everything we know so far about what might be DJI's most powerful Pocket yet: a new design with a bigger screen. One of the standout rumors centers around the design. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a larger screen, improved 1-inch sensor, 4K 240 FPS recording, better autofocus, and AI-enhanced features. It aims to deliver professional-grade performance for vloggers, travelers, and creators seeking cutting-edge video quality in a compact design. One of the most noticeable changes expected for the DJI Pocket 4 is its size and design. Reports indicate that it will have a slightly larger frame and weighing 190 grams. This increase in size could be to accommodate a larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, which would be a step up from the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. The new screen is rumored to offer a 480x800 resolution with 800 nits of brightness. This means better visibility in bright outdoor conditions, making it easier for users to frame shots and navigate menus. Improved button placement and a more ergonomic grip texture are also anticipated, which should make it more comfortable to hold and operate for extended shooting sessions.